Well, I wanted a program that would truly help me transition into the tech industry and prepare me for a long-term career. I was looking for hands-on learning, and the instructors are extremely helpful. They absolutely care about student success. What stood out to me was the supportive environment. I mean, you have support everywhere from all your teachers, your career coach, and you end up with getting certifications, which is amazing. The program I took at ACI Tech Academy was the Computer User Support Program. So that is A+, Network Plus, and Security Plus. My experience, I would say there is everyone is extremely supportive, and they will take the time if you need it to come in, stay after class. They are always available. And so it was very helpful for me. We had group chats and, we could all learn together, ask questions. And so I think that, it made the program very successful, just having all that support. Well, while I was at ACI Tech Academy, I was applying for jobs, and I ended up landing a position as a release train engineer, business operations assistant. And so they are currently working on my interim clearance. And as soon as that comes through, I will be able to start. So in the meantime, I'm still going over, some of the training. I plan to take the tests, and that will also help you to, I would say, gain a higher position. If you already have a job, it'll help you get a position if you don't have a job. And so I'm, really excited. I'm looking forward to the new position and just continuing to learn. If I could say one thing to the staff at Tech Academy, I would say thank you for all your support and encouragement. I think that, Joy, my career mentor, absolutely helped me to make sure I'm applying at jobs, and she made me fearless. And so I just went in there, I did it, and I landed a job. So thank you, ACI Tech Academy, and thank you, Joy, for writing that letter for me of recommendation. I do believe that truly helped me land the job, as well as everything that ACI taught me. So my name is Tiffany, and I am an ACI Learning graduate.